Today, we are diving into the Microsoft Word to learn all about formatting text and paragraphs. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves to write, these tips will help you make your documents look polished and professional. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's look at how to format text in Word. So before that, we want to move into we want to open the existing one, Microsoft Word. So that here we have opened the Microsoft Word, and this include also, or here we have now this is a font over here, and let's talk about the how to format in Word. So this include also the changing the font size, color, and styles of your text. Okay, the first one, let's change the font and the size. So select text you want to format. For example, I want to format this text by selecting, then use the home tab and click on the font like the drop down menu and choose the new font. Okay, so for example, let's use this one, or I can just say this is here. I can easily now that change here the font over, or you can now see it changes the font styles. Okay, so this way, by selecting, or you can change it and also adjust the font size using the drop down menu over or here. You can see by clicking over here, you can have the different font point over here, or you can easily type here. For example, if I gonna say this is the at 80, then hit on the OK. And now that we have changed the font or font sizes, okay, so this way you can easily change it over here, the font point of the font sizes. So now let's or with selected or text selected, click on the font colors, and also you can find this also symbolized with the A. So here we can easily use or click over here, and this is the first time the automatic, this is the default one. So you can use this one or choose the desired colors from the place, like I can easily use it simple one. Now that we have changed this one, now you can easily make it your text bold, italic, or underline by using button in the home tab. Okay, simply select your text, click on the B, and here now it's bold, and click on the I for italics, click on the U for underlines. Okay, so this way you can easily make it change your the different times. Okay, so now let's move into the formatting options with the alignment. Or here, before that, you can easily make it or increase the font size by using this one, or decrease the font size using this one. Now if you want to change the font styles by using, you can have the different styles over here. Before that, you need to select, and I want to just take out this one, and I want to check use the different font styles, or this one, this is the font effect. By clicking over here, you can have the different one. Okay, so that we have our the font. Now to highlight the text, you can do by selecting the text and click on the highlight. So this is the text highlight colors button, and which looks like a marker. So you can easily select it, and you can easily highlight it, like choosing by your highlight color from the drop down menu. Okay, so now that we have we know how to format individual place or piece of text, so let's move on to the paragraphs. Okay, so formatting paragraphs can make your documents more readable and visually appealing. And here some like the essential tips you can do. Or before that, what I'm gonna do, I want to also remove or clear the format or this one, or I can just escape it now. And now I want to align the text. So select the paragraph you want to format, use the align buttons. Okay. So here we have align buttons. You can easily use it, or like home tab. You can easily use like that as left, center, right, or justify. So this is the justify one, or this is the center one, this is the left one, and this is the justify one. Before I want to make it the same one with the format painters and just select it. And now we have now same one. Now I want to use the here. This is the left align, center align, and this is the right align. Okay. And to adjust the line spacing, like select your paragraphs and go to the home tab again and click on the lines, and here the lines and paragraph spacing buttons, and choose your preferred line spacing options from the menu, drop down menu. Okay, so by using, and you can have the different time spacing over there. Before that, I want to use the left align over here, and to indent our paragraphs, like place place your cursor at the beginning of the paragraph, then place the tab buttons or to tab key or here. Before that, I want to use over here, use the tabs. Now you can now see we have now tap it, and it's take you into the indent. Okay. And for more control, go to the layout tabs and use the indent, also the left and indent right, by using like here. Now you can see it's coming up the right, and this is the left. By this way you can now have now this one. Okay. So, and that it is for today's tutorial on using basics formatting and also using the paragraphing. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.